In this video, I will take a deep dive into Referral Factory, which is a powerful platform designed to help businesses automate and scale their word-of-mouth marketing efforts. If you have ever tried to run a referral program manually, you know exactly how tedious it can be to track every single invite and reward. Referral Factory aims to solve that problem by providing a comprehensive toolkit that handles everything from landing page creation to automated reward distribution. One of the standout features of this software is that it does not require you to be a developer to get started. You can choose from over 1,000 pre-built templates that are already optimized for conversions across various industries. The interface is remarkably intuitive, allowing you to customize your campaign colors, logos, and messaging to match your brand identity perfectly. Beyond just looks, the platform integrates seamlessly with major tools like HubSpot, Salesforce, and Zapier. This means that when someone signs up through a referral link, their data flows directly into your existing sales pipeline without any manual data entry. In terms of functionality, the platform offers flexible options for tracking. Whether you want to use a simple link or a more complex tracking script, the choice is yours. The analytics dashboard gives you a bird's-eye view of how your campaign is performing, showing you exactly who your top advocates are and which channels are driving the most growth. This level of transparency is essential for optimizing your marketing budget and focusing on what works. Thank you so much for watching this review, and I hope it helps you decide if this tool is right for your business.